How to turn on or turn off call barring or incoming calls when roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on the phone application. Now from here, tap on the more button. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. Next, in the call settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. Next, tap on call barring. Now in here, we go down to the incoming calls section and then tap on all incoming calls when roaming. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now depending on your network provider, they may or may not allow you to use this feature. Instead, sometimes they require you to call them up and ask them to manually switch this feature on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.